Hello everyone, my name is iBlessTheRains and today I will be teaching you how to make a state in Hearts of Iron 4. First thing you want to do is right click Hearts of Iron 4, click Properties, set Launch Options, and you want to type minus minus debug. And this will put the game into debug mode and you will see what's wrong with your code. Next thing you want to do is start up Hearts of Iron 4 and wait until it's loaded. So now that Hearts of Iron is loaded, you'll see that on your start screen you have a new option called Nudge. Click that, then click States, and this is where we'll be making our new state. For me, I will be making the Serbian Banat state of the Vojvodina. So what you want to do is select any state in the area you want your new state in, then hold Shift and click the states you want in your new state, like this. Then you want to go ahead and click them all again while holding Shift until you have selected them all like this. Then enter a state name right here. I'm going to do Serbian Banat and then create state. It might look a little weird if you have a mod installed, but not to worry. Just click Save in the bottom right hand corner and then you can leave Nudge for now. Once you have left Nudge and returned to the home screen, you can click Quit, and next thing you want to do is open your Explorer and navigate to Documents, Paradox Interactive, Hearts of Iron 4, and you will see that 3 folders of note right here. We have Map, Localization and History. The Map folder you can go ahead and just delete. The localization and history you cut and paste into your mod, and then you restart the game again. Once you've loaded back into your game, you'll see that a new window has popped up called error.log. In this you'll see some things that are wrong with your code that might make the game not run as smoothly or correctly as normal. So we see 3 errors. State 879 does not have a category defined. State 879 has no people living in it. And State 879 Serbian Banat has no supply area. We'll be fixing these one by one. First we'll be fixing the state category. So you want to navigate to your mod folder, History, States, and you want to open the state which I've created. In my case it's 879 Serbian Banat.txt. Click it to open. Then you want to go in game again. Click new game, select country. In this case we'll choose Yugoslavia. Ignore that for a second. Now we split off Serbian Banat from the Vojvodina state. So we'll go ahead and type in the console tdebug, and then we can see a lot of info about this state. We'll see state ID is 45 on the 3rd line. So we'll go back to the states folder, 45, and open that as well. Now the state category. Every state has a category that defines how much buildings can be in it. The rural category, for example, can have 2 buildings. Now since Serbian Banat is roughly the same size as what's left of Vojvodina, we'll split the amount of states in the amount of building slots in 2. So instead of rural, we'll make it a pastoral state, and we'll copy and paste the same line in the Serbian Banat file and save both. Next up we'll fix the population. Again, Serbian Banat and Vojvodina are roughly the same size, so we'll just cut this population in 2. It's under manpower is, and the half of 950,000 is roughly 475,000, and we'll add some random numbers so it doesn't seem so fabricated, and then subtract the manpower from here. And last but not least, Serbian Banat has no supply area. For this we'll have to go into Hearts of Iron 4's game files. Want to click Hearts of Iron 4, Properties, Local Files, and Browse Local Files. Then you want to go to Map and look on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th line. You see supply area equals 34. So we'll go into supply areas and copy 34 supply area.txt. And then paste it into our mod. And open it. Now under stage you just add the ID of the stage you just created. In this case is 879. And save it. And that should be all the errors for now. Another thing that doesn't give an error but actually breaks the game is it's not owned by anyone. So you want to copy history, all of it, and paste it in here. We're basically saying Yugoslavia owns it, it has 6 infrastructure, and Yugoslavia has it as a core as well as Serbia. Save it again, and then restart your game. So once you've loaded back into the game, you want to start a game as any country. And then this error log will pop up. What the fuck? Missed something right there. Okay, never mind. You'll see a bunch of errors about map/buildings.txt about building not being within specified state. This might seem intriguing, but it's actually really easy to fix. Just go to the main menu. Then click Nudge again. And instead of states, click buildings this time. You want to select any province or state you want. And then validate in all states. You want to click this a bunch of times so you are sure it worked, and then click Save. Then you can leave Nudge again and quit the game. Then you want to go into the Documents Paradox Interactive Hearts of Iron 4 folder again, and this time do not delete the map, but instead cut and paste it into your mod. Now for the last step, it's not really necessary, but it's good sport. You restart the game one last time to see if you have no errors left. So we've loaded back into our game. We don't have any errors yet, but we'll start the game to be sure. And we have restarted our game, and there is no duck right here, so that means we have no errors and everything is alright. So that means you're done now. If you have any questions or concerns or problems with Hearts of Iron 4 modding, you can always leave a comment. I'll try to help you as best as I can, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.